This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable calls on the Telegram app. I will be using the desktop app on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Telegram here. I have the Telegram app opened up now. To enable or disable calls on Telegram, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now, in the dialog box that opens up, the Settings dialog box, you want to go to Privacy and Security. Click on Privacy and Security. Then right down here under Privacy, Calls. By default, it's set to everybody. For me, it is at least. I'm going to click on Calls. It gives you the choice, who can call me? Everybody, my contacts, or nobody. Down below that, you could add exceptions, never allow, and you can click on Add User. You can add particular exceptions to it. But right up here, who can call me, gives you 3 different choices. Then all you would need to do is go down to the bottom, click on Save. That is how to enable or disable calls. Thanks for watching.